My name is Josh. I am studying 8th.
What are called fractions?
Fractions are in the form of a by b, where a and b are belongs to whole numbers. B is not equals to 0. Another definition for fractions are a is a whole number, b is a natural number.
Okay. What are called vulgar fractions?
Vulgar fractions which has denominator 0 ఉండకూడదు 10 multiples అయినా
What are
ఉండకూడదు.
called decimal fractions?
డెసిమల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అంటే డినామినేటర్ 10 multiples ఉండాలి, 0 కూడా ఉండాలి.
What are called improper fractions?
Proper fractions are numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Example of proper fractions?
Proper fraction 3/7.
Okay. Mixed fractions?
Mixed fraction integral part into denominator plus numerator by denominator.
Example of mixed
3
fractions?
2/7.
Okay. What are called decimal fractions?
Decimal fractions which are denominator should be 0. Fractions means take a fraction and denominator should be continued with another fractions.
What are called like fractions?
Like fraction means same denominator.
Okay.
Example 2/3 and 1/3.
What are called unlike fractions?
Unlike fraction which has different denominators.
What are called proper improper fractions? Difference between the proper and improper.
Proper fraction means small numerator comparing to denominator. Improper fraction is bigger numerator comparing to denominator.
Okay, then clap.